If you're experiencing login failures in EAFC 25, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if the servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of EAFC 25 installed. Check for updates in your gaming platform store and download any available patches or updates. Step 4. Clear your cache. If you are playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. For consoles, you can usually do this by turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. Step 5. Contact EA support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to EA support for assistance. Provide them with details about your login issue and they can help troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues in EAFC 25. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.